we are going to show you how to make a delicious London Essence cocktail, your very own taste of the Connaught. But first, we are going to share 5 unique elements that make the Connaught Bar one of the finest in the world.
The Connaught Bar is located in the heart of our beautiful and multicultural neighbourhood of Mayfair. Our inspiration comes from international travel and has developed our appreciation of worldwide etiquette and flavour, enabling us to create a unique experience that feels truly global.
It's essential for us to understand our guests' every need so we can exceed their expectations. We immerse our guests in the stories of the bar through our cocktails, staff interaction and details of the room.
There are always 3 steps in our welcome to make guests feel at home. From the hotel entrance, to the door of the bar, to the guests being seated. Every guest receives a welcome drink as we discuss the current mood and feeling. Our Martini Trolley is one of the experiences we are best known for, and it's a fantastic way to interact with our guests.
We are known for our slogan, straight up with style, and don't forget the smile. It's not just a slogan, it's our ethos. We are passionate about what we do, and our smiles are genuine. Body language is so important to ensure the best welcome possible.
The bar has been designed to allow everyone to feel part of a wider experience, but they can also be more private too. The room appears almost perfectly symmetrical, combining elegance and attention to detail. A perfect home for London Essence. Once our guests are seated, the bar becomes a stage and our cocktails become the star.
Now it's time for your own taste of the Connaught Bar. This is Purple Essence. Purple Essence marries together comfort, curiosity and colors. First, you need to prepare purple carrot and orange wine shrub. The earthiness of the carrot and the sharpness of the orange wine are lifted by the white balsamic vinegar. London Essence White Peach and Jasmine Soda adds a long-lasting taste aroma and allows all the flavor to shine. We hope you enjoyed your taste of the Connaught Bar and we look forward to welcoming you here very soon.